Hi everyone. In today's video I'm gonna talk about lists, whether they are bullet lists and numbered lists. We'll also see multi-level lists in this video as well. Now if we have different lines that we want to change into bullet lists, we can select them and click on these bullets in the paragraph group in the home tab. So when I click these bullets, I will automatically change these lines into bullet points. So this is a bullet list. This is the first way to obtain a bullet list. Again, I select the lines that I want to change into a bullet list and I click on the bullet. Another way to create a bullet list is to click on the bullet points. It will attach the new list to the existing one if there was no empty paragraphs between them. So whenever I click on this one, it will get attached to them. So this way I created bullet point 5. Or if there was an empty paragraph between them and I create a bullet list, it will start a new one. So this is a new point 1. It will take the existing formatting. I can delete these to continue, and it will detect the pattern that I'm working with and it will format accordingly. Now whenever I click enter, I'll be adding a new bullet point, so new point 4, and enter will create a new bullet point. If I click enter again, I'll remove it, or again I'll create a new bullet point. I can press on backspace to create a sub text. So these are two ways to create bullet lists. Now we can format the bullet points. I can click on this drop down arrow and select another type of points. I can define a new bullet, so I can go to this drop down arrow, click on define new bullet. I choose a symbol. I can choose a picture if I want, and maybe I want this trademark symbol to appear as a bullet point. I'll select it and click on OK, and now the bullets changed. Again, I can change the coloring, so I go to define new bullet. I'll select the font that I want and I'll say I want them in blue, and now my bullet points are in blue. Now when I'm working in a bullet list, I can, when I press enter, as I said before, I'll create a new point. But what if I wanted in another level? I can press on tab to move it inwards another level. So this is level 2. I can press on tab again. This is level 3. And if I press shift tab, I'll go upward. So I'll promote it. I'll go upward one level. This is level 2 again. So shift tab will take me to level 1. So again, let's do it once more. I have a bullet list and it took the last formatting that I created. This is level 1. Press enter will take me to level 1 again. So if I press on tab, it will take me to level 2. This is level 2. Again, tab will take me to level 3, and whenever I start a new bullet, it will be at the level that I was working at, and then shift tab, level 2 again. Now bullet lists are used for items. If I have items that their order isn't really important, I can put them in a bullet list, but I can also create a numbered list. So I have this list and I want to create a numbered list. I can select it and select next to the bullet points that I have here, next to these bullets, I have this numbering icon which I can click on, and these are numbered. I can also change the numbering to ABC, just like I changed the bullets. I can also set a numbering value. So maybe I have a list in another document and I want to start from another point. So I want them to start from B instead of from A. I can set the value to B. These will start from B. And whenever I create a new list, So this is an empty paragraph, and now I'll create a new list. I have the option to start again, so start again, or I can right click on the bullet point or the number point here and select continue numbering. This one will resume the numbering. So I ended here at F, I'll continue here from G, and again this is called resume numbering. So if I want to create if I want to create a bullet list again, a numbered list, I'll select this one, and I have the option to restart the numbering. Even if this one doesn't appear, I can right click on the letter. I have the option to restart the numbering, to continue the numbering, or set a numbering value. Maybe I want to start at A again this time. So you can go out of logic if you want to do it this way. So we can again select the way we want them to appear in. So these are Roman numerals. So let's create a bullet list, a numbered list in fact, for what we are studying. So we're gonna, in Roman numerals, we're studying now Microsoft Word. We also have Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel. Now let's say we want to go into the specific chapters that we're taking in Word. We took I press on tab to move inward one level, and I can format this level again the way I want. So we studied formatting, character formatting, we studied paragraph formatting, and now we are studying lists. And within these lists we'll move inward one level again with tab, and we're studying bullet lists and numbered lists. Now that was it for now, but maybe we should discuss the third item here, and this is the multi-level list. And whenever I select something and convert it to a multi-level list, it will appear just like the numbered list, yet there's one important difference. Maybe I can select this one and nothing will change, yet I can go to the multi-level list and select this one, which has heading 1, heading 2, and go with it. Now these are headings, these are chapters. So if I have an outline that I want to convert to chapters, so I can write text in these chapters, I want to write paragraphs inside this outline, I'll go to the multi-level list, select this type, which is heading 1, heading 2, and now I can see in the navigation pane. If you can see the navigation pane, go to the view tab and select navigation pane. I can see that I have different headings. If I create a table of content from the references tab, table of contents, I'll see that I have these contents. I can do it in a different way. Maybe I'll change this multi-level list to this type of numbering. So I have 1, 1.1, 1.2, and then in 1.3 I have 1.3.1, 1.3.2. You have full control. You can define a new multi-level list and select all the formatting and all the numbering methods that you want to use. For example, you can change the alignment, you can go for more and apply the changes to the whole list, to a selected list, or maybe link every level to a style of headings. So that was it for the lists. We covered bullet lists, numbered lists, and multi-level lists. Thanks for watching.